I'm going to be showing you guys this fall Christmas makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave, and if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start out with my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. I'm going to use this to prime my eyelids. Okay, so to start out, I'm using my Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. This is the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm going to use, it's so pretty, I love it, and I'm going to use the shade Access right here, and I'm going to use it on a Wet n Wild Dollar Tree brush, and I'm just going to be packing that in my crease to get the most color payoff. And then once I have that packed on, I'm going to start going in windshield wiper motions. Then once I have that down, I'm going to use my Morphe JH40 brush, and it's just a nice small tapered brush, and I'm just going to go into Agent right here, and I'm going to use this to deepen up the crease, and I'm just going to go right in the crease and try not to cover up the last color we used. And then for the lid, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to use my e.l.f. concealer again, and I'm just going to do a cut crease. So I'm going to take some of that concealer on the brush and put a little bit on my lid right here, and then I'm going to look up and let it, and wherever it transfers, I'm going to cut the crease there. And this will give us a base for the green color. So I'm using Top Secret from this same palette and Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH41 brush. I'm going to pack this on all over where we put the concealer. And the green really brings out blue eyes. It's so pretty. I just love it. So now I'm going to go in with my glitter. I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Goals liquid eyeshadow. And this one's in the shade Industrial Beam. It's just a really pretty yellow gold color. I'm going to be taking it on a little eyeliner brush. You can use whatever eyeliner brush, it doesn't really matter. This is going to go right where the green stops and just create a little line of this glitter. right above that. Okay, so I changed it up just a little bit. I didn't like how sloppy the line was with this brush, so so I went back in with the green color and just kind of carved out where I wanted it to stop. And I went in with this Morphe Jaclyn JH43 brush. And I just went in and went back in with Agent. I kind of carved out where I wanted it to stop in the crease so that it would go right where it was supposed to, and I went back in with a little bit more glitter and just went really tiny, put just a really tiny line of it right there. And then I just went back in with the brush I used to put Agent down originally and blended it out. This is how it looks now, and I think it's really pretty. I love how the light catches the glitter. Now I'm gonna go do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so to kind of highlight and clean up my brow bone, I'm using my Morphe JH42 brush, and I'm gonna take VIP with sparkly white. Just to clean up my brow bone and to add a little bit of shine. And then I'm gonna go back in with just one of the brushes with nothing on it. Just kind of blend that out a little bit just so it's not super harsh. going to work on finishing up my eyes now. I'm going to go back into that same palette and use the shade VIP right here. And I'm just going to go in with my finger and I'm going to put that in the inner corner on the first half of my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH43 brush, the same little flat brush that we used earlier, and I'm going to go in with just a teeny tiny bit of Top Secret. I'm going to take it and then I'm going to tap it off, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line, just right up against my lashes. And then I'm gonna wipe that brush off and go in with Access and Agent, help blend everything out. And I'm just gonna throw on some mascara and then we'll do lips and we'll be done. So now for lips, I'm going to use my Maybelline Made for All lipstick, and this is in the shade 370 Spice for Me. And it's such a pretty color. I've never seen something like this before, and I think it just goes really cool. This looks really cool with the green and the gold and everything.